Looking to download Wintoys on your Windows computer? You've come to the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the safest and easiest way to download Wintoys from its official source, so you can get started without any confusion. Let's jump right in. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. If it's pinned to your taskbar, simply click it. If not, open the Start menu, type Microsoft Store, and select it from the search results. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click the search bar at the top and type Wintoys, then press Enter to view the search results. Make sure you're choosing the official Wintoys listing before continuing. Next, click the Wintoys app to open its details page. Here you can review screenshots, read the app description, check system compatibility, and confirm that you've selected the correct application. Now click the Get or Install button to begin downloading Wintoys. If you're asked to sign in to your Microsoft account, just complete the sign-in process and the download should begin automatically. That only takes a moment. After the download finishes, the button will change to Open. That means Wintoys has been downloaded successfully and is ready to launch. You can also find it anytime by searching for Wintoys from the Windows Start menu. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Wintoys to your Windows computer. You're now ready to open the app and start exploring its optimization and customization tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.